to the socks, arrow every day. If they haters, they gon' drink some haterade. I got power like I'm drinking Powerade. We got the check, so it's time to celebrate. Ay, I'm like, drop it like it's hot. Hey, mashed potatoes with the gravy up on top. I got two with me like a Pop-Tart. Shopping online, hit that shopping cart. I told her, hit the spot.
What up, YouTube? It's your nigga Savage Little Bitch. I'm back with another video. I'm gonna react to top 10 craziest animal fights caught on camera. Let's fucking go.
Here are the 10 craziest animal fights caught on camera. Number 10, giraffe versus giraffe. Everyone has seen giraffes
knock
fighting
his
like
ass the
those
fuck
dancing
out.
air puppets. This video, however, shows just how dangerous it can get.
Knock this ass the
One of
fuck
the animals
out.
successfully hits the other right in the base of the skull,
This
giving it a
fucking snuffed
concussion.
his ass.
The losing giraffe gets knocked
Bopped
out and
his
falls to
ass.
the ground like a tree. The fall to the ground looks equally painful. However, the giraffe soon recovers and lives to fight another day.
Nigga got up.
Number 9.
Wait, rhinos fight
versus
buffaloes?
water buffalo. These two animals have an old rivalry in the African savanna and often clash for territory.
Rhinos fight buffaloes?
This
I
fight
ain't
goes
them
to show
niggas
how
fight.
intense and devastating these fights can be, as both the animals are very evenly matched. In this fight, the rhino
he's
was able to
beating
get
his
an early
ass.
advantage, which allows it to attack again and again with its huge
he's
horns,
beating his
completely
ass.
destroying the buffalo in the process. Number 8, caiman versus electric eel.
You fighting
This
electric
particular
eel? I don't know
video
what the
shows a
fuck a
fight
caiman
between an
is.
electric eel and a caiman that ends with disastrous consequences.
What the fuck is
The
a caiman?
snaps its jaws right around the throat of the eel, but it proves to be a really bad decision when the eel shocks the caiman with intensely high voltage for a really long duration. The caiman is not able to survive the shocks and dies an agonizing death. Number 7,
Damn.
hippo versus crocodile. This crocodile made a very poor choice when it decided to
Why they
invade a group
jumping
of
his
over
ass?
30 hippos, including babies. The hippos immediately go into attack
They
mode and
jumping that
swarm the
nigga.
crocodile in a sea of huge
That nigga
teeth
getting
and
jumped.
giant bodies. The crocodile seems to escape
They
into the water,
jumping that
but
nigga.
resurfaces and is eventually chased away
Bro,
by
they
the watchful
jumping his
hippos.
ass.
Number 6, wolf pack versus bear. This video shows just how threatening
Y'all
a
trying
wolf
to jump
pack
a
can
bear?
be.
Y'all
A
not
bear
gonna take
seems to
down
be
that
foraging
bear.
when it is confronted by a pack of wolves. The wolves gang up on the bear and start attacking it. The bear is a formidable opponent itself,
Yeah, y'all can't take
but
the bear
it starts
down?
retreating.
Fuck.
However, that's not enough for the wolves. They push their attack, and some of the wolves get swiped by the bear's paw in retaliation. Number 5, lion versus herd of water
Oh
buffalo.
yeah, they trying to kill your
In this
ass.
video,
They
the
tired
tempo
of your
seems to have
ass.
turned as a lion fends for its life
They tired of
against
you
a herd of
fucking lions.
buffaloes. The buffaloes use their numbers to corner the lion on top of a rocky formation. After some confrontation, the lion makes it off the rock and tries to take shelter on a tree. The buffaloes,
Ain't no
however,
fucking
are
way for her to
determined
go.
and attack the lion with their horns, killing it brutally. Number 4, leopard versus porcupine.
You fighting a
This video
porcupine?
shows the lengths to which animals will go in their quest for survival. A leopard is attacking a porcupine. The porcupine acts defensively and presents
What a
its
dumbass.
spine-covered
Why would you
back
try to
the
fight a
leopard for
porcupine?
attack. The leopard, however, keeps attacking and in turn gets pierced by its long
Why would
spine
you try to fight a
repeatedly.
porcupine?
In the end, the porcupine succumbs to the attacks, but the leopard too bleeds to its death from its injuries. Number 3,
Stupid ass.
zebra's kick. This video shows the full force of a zebra's kick, although on a baby warthog.
What?
A group of zebras, warthogs, and wildebeests have gathered near a feeding ground along with many young ones. As such, tensions are high. One baby warthog agitates a mother zebra too
Damn.
much and ends up getting kicked in the head. The sound of the kick can be heard from afar, and the warthog is immediately knocked
Is
down.
that nigga dead?
However, the
he got
warthog
up.
soon gets up and shakes itself awake.
That nigga got up.
Number 2, rabbit versus snake. This video shows that even the most seemingly peaceful animals turn dangerous under the right circumstances.
Oh
A
shit.
snake has made its way into a rabbit's burrow. It seems to be trying to eat the baby rabbits when the mother rabbit arrives. She starts fighting the snake, grabbing it in its mouth and thrashing around. The snake tries to bite back, but the rabbit is too quick for it.
A snake got some. What the? Oh, she trying to get her baby. He and her baby. He got the monkey baby. Oh, they throwing rocks at him. They throwing rocks at the snake. Oh, she got her baby back.
Number 1. Comedy of errors. In this bizarre clip, huge crocodiles in a crocodile sanctuary are being fed fishes. However, in their frenzy to feed, one of the crocodiles mistakenly bites another crocodile's
bit his arm
and rips
off?
it off. It then proceeds to swallow the arm whole, much to the shock of the people watching. The crocodile who lost its arm, however, seems surprisingly calm. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to get similar content. We'll see you in the next one.
Alright, let's go cap it off. Like, subscribe, follow, do everything.